Welcome back. So if you like boating, fishing, water activities, island exploring, vacationing here in South Florida, make sure you follow this channel.
And here it is, another Throwback Thursday. This video is from August 2019.
So we finally made it. It's kind of late. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but we're here. We're here in the water, finally. Today we're late, but we're back at it again at the sandbar. You know how they say, better late than never. So we're late, but it's all good because we're gonna spend the night and maybe go swimming at night again. So let's go with the show. Made it, and there's still people here. It's like 5:30 in the afternoon, and there's people here. Plus, you know, it's the weekend, so the Miami people don't know when to stop, so it's a good thing. And so we're gonna spend the weekend here, have some fun, and hopefully the weather clears up, because my plans were to go to Bimini, but when I looked at the weather on Friday, it's supposed to be a bad storm here, scattered showers and a bad storm. So I didn't want to take a chance, so we stayed here in Miami locally. So we're gonna see, make the best of it, and let's have some fun at the sandbar today and tonight. So we got a new chef in La Casa. What you making?
Churrasco.
Churrasco skirt steak. We actually, that's gonna be our dinner and lunch, because we didn't eat lunch today. So hopefully we have a lot to make up for the lunch and the skip of lunch and dinner. So I think it should be enough. Sandbar Life merchandise, check it out on frescochannel.com, and thanks to everybody that purchased it, you know. And we got the logo Big Mama about to go hit the water. She didn't trust me. I told her the water was good. Is the water good? I told you. She didn't want to listen. All right, so it's time to get this food on the grill. All right, so look on churrasco. You like churrasco?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Nah, I don't think you. I know you don't want that. Okay, it's good. Check out that sizzle. No, not enough.
Kind of got it, sizzle. You gotta get closer.
There it goes, now sizzling. Look at that. And you know what? No sausages for dinner. Maybe for lunch tomorrow. And you know you can't forget the sausages. We got the chef in La Casa. Oh, I said a chef. Is a barbecue? Is a barbecue guy considered a chef? Or a cook? All right, so a barbecue cook. I don't know. That's a good question to ask. A barbecue guy consider a chef?
Yeah.
Let me know, I guess. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below because I'm not sure myself. So we get to watch a rainy sunset today, if I remember to record it, because most of the time I don't. And look at Big Mom. She wants to come out here, relax. Look. While we cook like slaves, she's out here relaxing. But it's all good though. It's like the job is being transferred slowly to the kids. Let's check out the logo star, Yuli en la casa. What's up, Yuli? Yuli, you like boating? Yes. He's a sea dog, Yuli. So, I don't know if it's the hunger, but that has been the best churrasco I had in a long time. What do you think? I don't know. I guess once you skip lunch and you're late for dinner, anything tastes good. But it tastes really good.
You know what it is?
What?
Today I was the one that
season it? Let's try and make. Alright. Tastes good though.
Self-sharpeners?
Gabby!
Before, right?
Daddy, better hurry up. You can have no steak left. And then we got round 2 right there. That's round 2 for you right there. Well, it tastes great. What do you say, boy? Do you like it? Look at them vultures. Look at them vultures. So you're having a little barbecue at a sandbar. This is what you call sandbar life. This is what you do once you finish eating at the sandbar. How you finish it off. Woo! Come on now, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. You don't want to wear your hair.
No, because I don't want to wash my hair today.
Hell, you're nasty. So we get to watch the sunset today, hopefully. If I can catch it. Because as many times that we stayed out here, I tried catching the sunset and I always miss it. But we're going to try this time. We're going to try. We're really going to try. Oh, water's great. I like it a lot. Feels great to be out here. It doesn't matter what time, just as long as you're out here. And it doesn't matter with what. Just be out here. It's good. It's fun. And I don't know. We're just relaxing. We have no music playing because we want to enjoy the, well, trying to enjoy the quietness. But you know, there's always people here having a party, even as late as it is. But it's all good. It's all good in the hood. Okay, so aquí estamos en el sandbar con Hialeah. Christopher. He's my biggest fan here in Miami, hanging out at the sandbar, having a good time. It's late, but we're still here having a good time. You know you can't come to the sandbar and don't get no ice cream, right? You want some ice cream? You want some ice cream? Yeah, because she wants some ice cream. Believe it or not, it's a weakness. That's Big Mama's. That's why I call her Big Mama, because she's a lot of ice cream. And Gabby, you want some ice cream? All right. So let's go get some ice cream for the kids.
Go in.
And I'll pull it. I got it.
Oh, okay. I'll walk. Oh yeah, they got ice cream. Otro más, son 5. Go. Oh, one's for me. Look at this.
I want another.
Want another one? No. You got it?
Yeah. Are you calling for back?
Oh, rental. Are you enjoying your ice cream? Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. I like it too. Very good, man. Aquí, en Sandbar con quién?
Samba con Carlito y
Y
Mercedes.
Mercedes.
Disfrutando.
Los fans, los fans.
Los fans de Fresco.
I get stuck doing all the work. Wow, look at the sunset, how pretty. Doing the outside shower. Yeah. Sandbar bathing. So we're still here. It's about 8 o'clock at night and we're still here at the sandbar. Like you guys noticed, we just saw a beautiful sunset. While Gabby's taking a shower outside, she doesn't want to use the bathroom because she says it's too small. So she prefers to take a shower outside.
You take a shower in the bathroom?
Yeah, I like taking a shower in the bathroom. No, it's not. Look who's talking, the smallest one, talking about the bathroom is so small.
Plus, it's good that she doesn't need a shower. She's in there by herself.
Oh yeah, she wastes a lot of water.
Are you gonna go my shoe with her right now?
So this is life at the sandbar at night. I think this is gonna be our first time staying so late here at the sandbar, I think. I don't know. So many videos, so many places, so many times, I don't remember right. But, oh, by the way, I'd like to say hello to everybody that came up to us and say hi at the sandbar today. You know, it's always good to meet people. You know, I like the same thing we do. So, you know, and I'm glad you guys enjoy the video. That's it, you know, makes it all fun. So let's keep on one. We're here freshening it up at the sandbar still, and I think we're deciding to go do some little bit of fishing, some night fishing. I think it's pretty calm outside, so we're gonna go ahead and test our luck, see what happens. But I don't know. If you notice, I have no watch on, so we don't have no time to do. We're not in a hurry. We don't have no schedule, so we're just gonna go ahead and see where the wind takes us, and hopefully we get lucky. I'm gonna go stop, get some bait, and then at the gas station, and then we're gonna go ahead and test our luck outside. See what happened. Maybe we got breakfast for tomorrow. All right. So we're here trying our luck, see what happened tonight. It's beautiful. It's actually super flat. Well, how is it super flat? Well, perfectly flat. It would have been a good day to go to Bimini. I'm about to start doubting the weather report because it was supposed to be really bad weather today. That's why I didn't go to Bimini, thinking we were gonna go. But I didn't go when I read the weather report. It's supposed to be really bad. I mean, they got an ugly towards the afternoon, but only maybe for an hour, and that's it. And actually, it's beautiful out here. So I guess we'll make the best of it, maybe for next time. So now let's try our luck fishing. See what's up, catch something. Live action. What you got? Whoa! Monster yellowtail.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice yellowtail.
Big mama, not only ronco.
Wow, about time you got some brand fish.
Cassie, I got a grouper.
That's true. She got a group. She got a group earlier. That's a nice.
Oh my God, I just got a.
That was a nice.
Oh my God, let me see. Oh, that's a nice one, Alberto.
Look at that damn. Wow, look at that damn like I have my shirt.
What the hell? My feet got out. Okay, so it might be a shark, right? 100% a shark?
Not 100%, but it might be.
Well, it took off and I could not fight it, so I got my dad to fight it.
It might be a heavy shark.
It's a big boy.
Oh, yeah.
He's pulling that. Look at that drag. Still going.
Dude, you can sing a song with this.
You can't see it because you're a shadow. No, I can see it, kind of.
Here it goes, it's coming back.
Not the real. I can't see the real that much.
Coming back.
Get him back, bring him back.
You're gonna have to get tired. I just don't know what it is. Oh, damn.
Come on, come on.
Woo! My arm hurts.
Pull him back in. Pull him back in. Oh, shit.
I can't make you turn the reel.
For real?
Yeah.
Is he that
Want me
heavy?
to turn it for you?
Come on, watch out.
No, maybe it's stuck.
No, he's not stuck.
Nah, he's trying to fight, go the other direction.
He's above water. Not above water, but top water.
Oh, man.
He's still going.
Please, come on, let's see what
He's
it
having
is.
another run. He's having some fun with the line. Woo!
That hurt my hands.
I like fighting that.
It's twisted the boat.
For real?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
twisting the boat.
Oh my God, it's pulling the boat. We got a big boy on.
You know what? Oh, the anchor, we're anchors. You know, I would have chased with the boat.
We can on anchor right now. No, don't tighten. Actually, yeah, tighten. Jeez. Where's he at?
And you're fishing with the little thing in the front? Oh, man.
It might not be a shark.
That's a shark.
No, because it would have cut it off by now.
Nah, man. The
A
way
20-pound little thing?
Yo, that thing is pulling. Yo,
Let me see how it feels.
Don't let him steal me. Don't let him take out the line.
yeah, it's coming to the end.
Start tightening it.
Alright.
Start tightening it. Start tightening it. Don't let him take off.
Oh, my God. Yeah, now, bro. Woo!
That was
Oh, I think
intense.
it's a shark.
It had to be a shark. That was a nice fight, though.
Yeah, boy.
Got you worked up. You excited?
My veins come out.
You excited?
Yeah, that must have been a shark, a heavy shark, because I couldn't stop it.
Hey, at least we got
hard to drag with.
Can I finish fishing?
It was dead. It was dead stuck.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And it was still pulling drag?
And it was still pulling drag.
That had to be a big boy.
Yeah, big shark. It was pulling, boy. Got my veins popping out.
Mm-hmm.
That woke me up.
That was almost on my line.
Yeah, no, he was pulled out.
I still got my line back and chopped off the hook.
No, I broke the hook.
It broke the hook.
Oh my God.
Look at that. It broke the hook.
Nah, I can't.
So it wasn't a shark, because a shark would have
Snapped it.
ate
Ate it.
Might have been something big. It broke the hook.
Muño, what a shame not to hit something
It wasn't
like
a
that.
shark. Shark would have ate the whole thing.
So what was it?
I don't know.
It was a mystery.
Yeah, but it was a heavy.
That was a nice fight.
Wow. That hurt my hand.
Oh my God, but it's not big enough.
Too small, buddy. And it's time to go.
I'm not going.
Yep.
I'll stay in the water doing it.
He wants to stay here. I don't want to go back. Catch some Z's for tomorrow. Hang out at the sandbar. So we spent here about 2 hours fishing, and we caught a few yellowtails and some red. I don't know what you want. What are the fish? Some red things. And look at the weather. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it is perfectly flat. I mean, zero. Like negative waves is nothing. I could have been a Bimini. I guess I can't trust the weather report anymore, but well, this maybe next time. But it was a fun night, and it's time to go back to the island so we go to sleep and have another day tomorrow. See what the day brings us. So see you guys tomorrow. All right.